ChatGPT and BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, are both powerful language models developed by OpenAI and Google, respectively. While they share some similarities, there are notable differences between the two. Architecture. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture. 1. It is a transformer-based model that uses a stack of self-attention layers to process input sequences. 2. BERT. BERT, on the other hand, is also based on the transformer architecture but utilizes a bidirectional approach. 2. It employs both left-to-right and right-to-left context to understand the meaning of a word in a given sentence. Pre-training objective. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is trained using unsupervised learning on a large corpus of publicly available text from the Internet. 1. It is trained to predict the next word in a sentence. 2. BERT. BERT, on the other hand, is trained using a masked language model, MLM, objective. 2. During training, some words are randomly masked, and the model is trained to predict the masked words based on the context provided by the surrounding words. Task-specific training. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for specific tasks using supervised learning. 1. For example, it can be fine-tuned for chatbot applications or other conversational tasks by providing task-specific training data. 2. BERT. BERT can also be fine-tuned for various tasks such as question answering, text classification, or named entity recognition by adding task-specific layers on top of the pre-trained model and fine-tuning the entire network. Contextual understanding. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a strong understanding of context and can generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. 1. It can engage in conversational exchanges and maintain a consistent dialogue. 2. BERT. BERT is primarily focused on understanding the meaning of individual words within a sentence and does not have built-in capabilities for maintaining context in a conversation. Use cases. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is well suited for chatbot applications, virtual assistants, and generating conversational responses. 1. It can handle a wide range of conversational topics and generate human-like text. 2. BERT. BERT is commonly used for various natural language processing, NLP, tasks such as text classification, named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and question answering. In summary, ChatGPT and BERT have different architectures and objectives. ChatGPT is designed for generating conversational responses, while BERT is more focused on understanding individual word meanings and performing specific NLP tasks. Both models have their own strengths and applications in different areas of natural language processing.